Good afternoon, my YouTube friends and family. This is Brian Kelly, and I'm reporting to you from the Walmart in Garner, North Carolina. I just want to say thanks so much for taking a look at this video. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please do so. And make sure you hit that like button, and that way you will get videos every time I make videos. Okay. So it's been a very interesting day today in the market. Tell you what happened. So I um I had purchased a course a while back, and I used the course a couple of times, the trading course a couple of times, and it worked so. And so I said, I decided to use it again today. And of course, I have my own trading methodology that I use, but I kind of deviated from that, which I should never have done. And long story short, using this other person's method and not trusting my own self, I went like $200 in the hole, which is not a whole lot of money, but still, I was down about $200, a little over $200. Okay, so I was like, oh, this is not good, and I basically, this person said go get in at this certain point, and I'm in the trade, and I see it started to go against me, and my methodology tells me to get out of the trade and get into it the opposite way. But I don't listen to myself. I don't trust myself today. And I decided to just kind of go through and follow through what this particular course was telling me to do. So that's when, I lost that money, hit my stop loss, and got knocked out of the trade. And it's like, oh gosh. So that was probably like maybe 10 o'clock or so. So I was a little discouraged about that. So I said, and now, mind you, I have a trading course out there, and I teach people to trade three trades for 1.25 points, and that's fine and well. But I'm down $200, and I said, you know what? Let me test my system. Okay, if I'm talking the talk, I need to walk the walk. Basically, does my system really pan out like I say it will? Well, I had been kind of toying with another methodology that I kind of discovered myself. And I talk a lot about trading on this channel and everything. And the main thing that I stress about trading is safety and no stress. There's nothing worse than getting into a trade and it goes against you and you're all stressed out and because you're losing money and you don't feel safe in that trade. That's never a good thing and not a good feeling at all. And so what I did was since I was down this money, I said, you know what? I'm gonna trade using this new methodology that I know. It's now, guys. I'm telling you, my initial course that I have, it's super safe. Okay, but this course I'm gonna be creating, in addition to my old course, is beyond. It's like really, really, really safe, really conservative, and the thing about it, it's not necessarily dependent upon a trend. Okay, um, the market does trend, um, and people tell you, which I will, is to follow the trend, and that's what you're kind of supposed to do. But with this thing here, um, this method that I used to make my money back, it didn't really matter if I was in a trend or not. The market could be going sideways, and the reason why is because I am going for very, very tiny profits. That's the key. Tiny profits. And the thing about it is this, all right? So when you make tiny profits over and over and over and over and over again, and there's no stress involved and it's very safe, then what happens is those profits begin to add up very quickly. Now here it is, like one. I think it's like what time is it? It's like 1:30. I'm sitting in the parking lot here, but uh, I was able to come back from being down like $200 to being up $72 in a matter of about probably about an hour or so. And I was able to do this by taking teeny tiny trades after trade. I mean, I'd get into a trade, I'd be in for like 3 seconds, it gets me out, I make a profit. I'm in for 30 seconds, it gets me out, I make a profit. And I'm doing this over and over and over and over again. That is how I was able to come back from being from being $200 down to up $72. Now, when I get back home from here, I might jump back on there and do some more trading. I'm out here. We're having Taco Tuesday today, so I've got a list of stuff I got to go get. So kind of going to come home and cook some dinner and everything like that. But hopefully I'll be able to do some more trading. And again, the great thing about it is this: you don't have to worry about trending in this new way of doing things. Now, I don't want you guys to think, well, I have the old course. The old course doesn't work. Yes, the old course does work, and I think you always should do that course. Okay, but I am doing that course myself in conjunction with this new way of doing things. And I haven't perfected it yet. Okay, I haven't perfected it yet. But I am going to be creating a separate course for this new way of trading that I have discovered. So basically, I took like, I don't have the count. It was between 25, I think like 25 or 30 trades, and all were profitable. I mean, there were like zero losses. And the thing about it is this: the reason why it is because I wasn't going for trying to get 2 points in one trade, 3 points in one trade. I was going for teeny, the very minimum that I could make. And when you are in the market, whether it's trending or not, when you're trading the SP 500, it's going, every bar, it's going to move the amount of space that I'm requesting it to do. That's just the bottom line. It's going to happen. And so I put myself in a really good position when I'm doing like limit orders. I do limit orders to get into a trade and buy stops and sell stops to get into trades. And once my computer and the system gets me in, I'm in, for like a half a second. I'm in and I'm out. I'm in and I'm out. I'm in and out. And I'm doing this over and over and over and over again. So, although the individual profits are not that much, okay. Prime example, okay. So, when you're trading even the SP 500, your profit loss is $12.50 per tick, okay. So what I'm doing, I'm trading for one tick. So when I make a profit, the gross profit for that is $12.50. But after commissions, okay, it's going to be right around $8. Okay, so basically, I'm making $8 for every successful trade that I make net. So, and that's not just one contract. So if I'm trading two contracts net, that's $16 per trade. Or if I'm trading 10 contracts, that's $80 profit per trade net. Now, if I'm doing this, every couple of minutes, I mean, guys, do the math. And again, you don't have to worry about a trend. You don't have to worry about, what time of the day it is. It could be like 2 o'clock in the morning. Because again, you're not, you're not, you're not, concerned. Someone's calling me. You're not really concerned about getting in a trend, because all you're looking for is to get one tick, and that's pretty easy to get. So, that's basically how it works. I'm gonna, I haven't even started doing the course yet. That's gonna be sometime. I'll kind of keep you guys updated. Again, my stuff is not expensive at all compared to a lot of other, people. Um, this is something, again, I talk about this, is you're totally independent. You're not involved in a company or affiliate program. Um, nothing like that at all. Um, you're your own entity, your own person, your own company, your own business, and you make as much money as you want to. And like I said, doing this new way of trading. Now, again, I recommend um, using the course that I teach you guys, the 1.25 points. That is great. That's a great, great, great way to trade because you can always scale with that. But with this new course going to be coming out down the road, it's even safer and it's even less stress than my first course has. Okay, again, I traded this today like 25 times, 25 30 times, zero losses. And the reason why is because I'm not going for a lot of points. All I want is a single itsy bitsy tick that's gonna net me $8 per trade for one contract, $80 per trade for 10 contracts. And again, you can do this every 3 minutes, every 5 minutes, every minute, however you want to do it. It's totally up to you. And again, guys, I'm not making any promises here, so don't say, well, Brian told me that I'm gonna make, all this money and I lost money. No, I'm not saying that. Don't ever risk money that you're not willing to, you can't afford to lose. Okay. I have the whole disclaimer and everything like that. This is not some get rich quick deal. This is a bona fide business, as you guys know, that you can make some serious money with. And what I try to do is I try to share with people who listen to this video, ways that they can be independent where they're not having to, worry about getting involved in some MLM Forex company that goes out of business, or because that happens. I mean, that just happened to a company I mentioned in the video before, and that's not a good thing. You put all your eggs in the basket, and then they just all kind of fail and kind of crack. So that's not a good thing. But again, this is something that I'm doing, and it's going to be even more successful because I'm just, I haven't really truly mastered this, and once I master this, which I will, it doesn't take very long to do that. But anyway, I'm going to put this in a course, and I'm going to share it with people, because again, this new way of trading, okay, is extremely, extremely safe and extremely and has zero stress. Okay, zero. The way I show you this, you will be like, oh my gosh, this is like, going to an ATM machine and printing out money. Okay, but this is good. This is really good. Um, I'm rambling now, but I guess I'm hungry. But I'm gonna go in this store, get this food, and come back out, and I might get back on the trade a little bit more. I'm not really sure, but I'll keep you guys up to date as to what's going on. Again, this thing is fantastic. You're making very, very, very teeny tiny profits over and over and over and over again in a safe way, and there's no stress. So you can't really beat that. Okay. But anyway, I thank you for looking at this video. Again, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the little bell button so that every time I make a video, you will know it's out. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Hope you have a good day. Bye.